Soaring Heights, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Introducing the future of compact drones. DJI, the undisputed leader in drone technology, has once again raised the bar with their latest offering, the Mini 5 Pro. This pocket-sized powerhouse is set to redefine what's possible in the world of aerial photography and videography. With a sleek design, cutting-edge features, and a price point that won't break the bank, the Mini 5 Pro is poised to become the must-have gadget for enthusiasts and professionals alike. A camera that sees the world differently. One of the most significant upgrades in the Mini 5 Pro is its camera system. Equipped with a larger 1-inch sensor, this drone delivers stunning image quality that rivals much larger models. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, capturing candid moments, or shooting professional-grade footage, the Mini 5 Pro has you covered. Flying higher, longer. Gone are the days of worrying about battery life. The Mini 5 Pro boasts an impressive flight time, allowing you to explore more and capture more without interruption. With extended flight capabilities, you can soar above towering skyscrapers, dive into lush forests, or follow your favorite subjects for hours on end. A storage solution for every adventure. No more worrying about running out of storage space. The Mini 5 Pro comes with ample internal storage, giving you the freedom to capture as much footage as you want without the need for external memory cards. This means you can focus on the moment and let your creativity flow without any technical limitations. A price that's music to your ears. While the Mini 5 Pro offers a plethora of advanced features, DJI has managed to keep the price surprisingly affordable. This makes it accessible to a wide range of users, from hobbyists to professionals. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or just starting out, the Mini 5 Pro offers exceptional value for your money. Designed to impress. The Mini 5 Pro's sleek and compact design makes it easy to carry anywhere. Despite its small size, this drone packs a powerful punch, delivering exceptional performance and maneuverability. Whether you're exploring remote locations or capturing cityscapes, the Mini 5 Pro is the perfect companion for your aerial adventures. The future of drone technology. The Mini 5 Pro is just a glimpse of what's to come in the world of drone technology. As DJI continues to innovate, we can expect to see even more advanced features and capabilities in future models. With its combination of performance, portability, and affordability, the Mini 5 Pro sets a new standard for compact drones. Conclusion: the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a game changer. With its impressive camera system, extended flight time, ample storage, and affordable price, it's a must-have for anyone who loves aerial photography and videography. Mini 5 Pro is sure to exceed your expectations.